Hello everyone, in order to load Nagasoft in NSCaster, go to Net. Inside here, click the plus button. Write your URL, for example, RTMP address. Then the name, and you can set it to net 1, 2 or 3. Besides adding the Nagasoft, you can also add desktop screen here. First write the name, and then the URL, the IP address, and the port. After that, click OK. Double click to display it on the net channel. You can also change the net channel, for example net 3. After that, double click on it. So it will appear on net 3 channel. You can modify by click the edit button. So let's change the name to desktop. After that, click OK. So it will update the latest changes. You can remove the Nagasoft or desktop capture. Select yes to remove. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.